All right, Sam, you ready? You're gonna be on TV.
Mhm.
Can you put your butt at the back of the chair?
Yep.
Can you see? You can't see.
I can see.
Can I raise your chair at all? Let's see.
No, I'm seeing.
There you are. Can you see that? Your little face? What's the
Yeah.
best way to get you in there?
Wow.
Look, you can see you in a TV. You see your little face right there?
Mhm.
You're barely in there, but you're in there. All right, so we're coding a turkey.
Let's get the turkey in.
Where's the turkey? Point at the turkey.
Right there.
Yep. So we're going to code this turkey. So we have a turkey here, but it doesn't do anything. What I'd like it to do is you click it and it squawks.
And now let's put it in our pockets.
I'm not going to put it in my pocket. You can try, though. Let me know if it works for you.
Can I?
Specifically, this is a micro project.
Can I try it?
I'm talking, baby. 1 second. Specifically, this is a micro project within Vanilla Flat White. What are you saying? Is that your picture?
Yep, two.
Cool.
Three.
Nope. No more drawing with permanent marker on your arm. So Vanilla Flat White has micro projects. Don't do that. Sam, look at me. You can talk, but don't just make noises.
But I like aiming sneak, and I want to, so I can fly at it again. So I can fly very good.
You're going to try very good? Thank you.
But I want to press the X.
Okay, do it. All right, thanks.
Which one? What letter can I find again?
So, update stolen turkey.
I
Hey,
want
listen. I'm telling people what we're doing. We're going to make the turkey, remember? So, issue number 5, update stolen turkey. And then possibly 6 and 7. So no jiggly eyes is already done. Dynamic tail feather color is the main scope today. And then squawking on click as well. All right, cool. So here's the index file for the turkey.
No back doing the juice.
So I want a giant, like, transparent button, basically. It's going to wrap the whole thing. Or I can just make the turkey clickable. So you can see from the HTML, if I go for this, there's going to be, like, some of the feather hanging out.
This hangs on the sea and starts with the turkey, but anything turkey wants. I like to get my juice.
So I can put a click handler on all the feathers. Let's see if I can get away with the turkey, though. I'm going to test clicking that little edge.
Edge?
Yeah, the edge.
Why?
Because, I don't know. Why? Do you want the turkey to make a noise when you click it?
Yeah.
But when you click it anywhere, or when you only click it in certain spots?
Click it in the spots.
No, it should work if you click it anywhere, Sam. And that's why we need to test the edge.
Edge. Let's get the edge. That's it. Let's get the edge.
What is an edge?
Edge is a spit.
No, an edge is not a spit. You're not going to spit.
You're garbage can.
Say, I don't spit.
I don't spit.
Good job.
I garbage can this trash will beep.
Kitten says, I can't wait until the day I'm so comfortable with coding while listening to kids.
Garbage cans. It's trash will beep.
All right, we're going to click the edge. You ready?
Yeah.
This is the very edge of the feather. It still works.
But it still has to work, but you can't touch it.
You see it? It says hi. The turkey says hi. Say hi.
Hi, turkey.
Say the HTML box lied.
H-E, bench, and arch 5.
I'll give you a 2 out of 5 for that one. Cool. So even though like
Oh,
it says
I
that
can see
the
my
edge is outside of the
face.
box, the click handler still worked. So I'm good with it. So here's the alert on the turkey div. Now, next step is I want to extract this into a proper JavaScript. So I'm going to say do squawk, Sam.
Do squawk.
Nice job.
Can I press the A?
No.
Why?
You want to help? Here, let's see. Press the D. Press the D. Nope, that's a K. Do you see a D?
Yep, this is a D.
Nope, that's a F.
Let's start with the F.
Food.
Let's start with the capital.
All right, now do an A. Can you do an A?
Yeah. What's the A go?
Where's the A go? You tell me.
I thought it was all the way here.
That's a space bar. That's not a letter. Look, how about that one? Is that an A?
Yep.
Push it. Thank you.
We'll push. And now I'm going to push. We're going to push.
All right, so all we did is we moved the alert into its own do squawk function, and we're just going to test.
Stop.
Can you do F5? See the F5? Push that button. Can you reach it?
Here.
No, I don't want you to stand up. Never mind. I don't want you to stand up in the chair.
Okay, go and get it. Can I press it? Let me press it.
If you can reach it without standing up. Nice job. Thank you so much. And it's still working. We inspect the DOM. We see do squawk is now bound.
Press it.
We don't need to press anything right now, baby.
Escape it.
Are you still able to use arrow functions and script tags? Yeah, I think so.
And press escape button.
So the reason that I don't want to do that,
No.
Sam, you don't push buttons for no reason. We only push a button when there's a need to do so.
It's to do so.
It's to do so?
Yeah.
If you want to help right now, you can push the D button one time.
Escape button one time.
Do it. Do you know where the D is? So Cheetah asked, can we still use arrow functions? We're going to try. I think the answer is yes. I just prefer to avoid the var keyword.
What the D is?
Where's the D? Is that a D?
No.
Yes, it is.
I'm going to get a D. Let me get the D. Dad, let me get it. Let me get it. It's my turn now.
We already pushed it.
I did it.
I know you didn't. I did.
No. Let me.
I don't need to push it anymore. We just wanted to push it one time.
I need to push. Is that the D? No.
See this? This is called a slash.
Huh?
Do you see this?
Yeah.
This is called a slash. If you want to push a button, you can push the slash.
Okay.
Thanks. All right, and so let's see if do squawk still works.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if the turkey can still talk with us. Boop, there it is. So we got do squawk. The do squawk method is written as an arrow function, but now we had to declare it using var. I need to be able to type, Sam.
You're making me so mad. You're making me so angry.
I just want to type.
It's making me angry.
Oh, and we even switched it over to const, which I vastly prefer, and it's still working. So let's roll with it.
Let's roll that angry. Let's get the angry away.
Now we need to make it play a turkey noise. Can you help me find a turkey noise?
Yeah. It's right here where you left it. There's the turkey noise. I found the turkey noise.
I think there are search engines for like a sound browser.
The turkey noise.
Oh, you know what? We can make our own turkey noise. You want to make our own?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Record MP3.
Let's find it.
Let's find it. Yeah, let's find it. Here, I have Audacity. We can use Audacity.
Let's choose the white one. What is it? Let me find it. No.
Thank you.
Here's a mommy.
That is not your mommy. That is the Amazon delivery guy. 1, 2, 3.
Let me try.
1, 2, 3. All right, cool. So Sam, you're gonna help me make a turkey noise. Can you do a turkey noise? Okay, that'll work. Do you want to listen to a turkey once?
Yep. Gobble, gobble.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. We're gonna listen to it, and then you can do it on your own. So let's listen to it.
And hearing their actual sounds will help hunters recognize.
Oh, dude, I don't need the narrator.
Listen
Elk
to
hounds
it.
to assemble their flock.
I can try it all by my own.
You can try it all by your own.
Yeah. What's that?
That's a turkey noise. You hear it?
Yep. That turkey looks like a dino.
All right, you try it.
Can I try it?
Listen. All right, now you do that noise. All right, cool. So when I say 1, 2, 3, then you do a turkey noise, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Can I try it?
No, you have to do a turkey noise.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Okay, we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go with this.
Let's put
Here's
it.
the turkey noise. You ready?
Yeah.
Push this one.
Gobble, gobble,
Do.
gobble, gobble,
Again.
gobble, 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 gobble,
Just one.
gobble.
Just one. A quick one. Boop. Nice. All right, I'm going to save it. So we're going to save this as an MP3. Export as MP3.
I pressed that one.
I'll just export it to my desktop. Oh, maybe not.
Don't.
Hey, I need the keyboard, baby.
No. Don't.
Don't what? Don't type on the keyboard?
No. Let me try it. It's my turn.
No, it's your turn when I say it's your turn.
It's a bad stuff. No, good stuff. It's a bad stuff. It's bad birthday today. It's a good birthday today.
Windows D, get to the desktop.
What are you doing? Gobble, gobble,
Cool.
gobble, gobble.
So this is the sound we're going to try to make when you click it. So let's throw this in here. Oops.
What's that, guys? But new ones.
Throw it in the stolen turkey folder. Opinion on toast. I don't like. I'm not a fan of like straight up toast. I'll do it with like butter or jelly.
Now it's my turn. Trying to be my turn.
So here's an HTML audio control.
Now I can press it.
Can you press it? What are you gonna press?
I can press the bar.
The bar? Oh, because you want to do a gobble gobble?
Yeah.
It's not quite working yet, baby.
But yeah. Let me try.
Hey, I need you to have some patience, baby.
No patience, but I don't like it. A bad patience.
You want to have a bad patience?
No, I have any patience. Do I
Okay.
have any patience?
So this is the built-in. I don't need the OG. Let's
I'm
delete
gonna
that.
go off. I don't get work.
See if this works.
Gobble, gobble.
Haha, so we got a gobble gobble right there. All right, you want to do the gobble gobble?
Yep.
It's not going to work with the space bar. Come here, sit in my lap. I need you to reach the mouse, and then you can
Yeah.
click the gobble gobble.
Yeah.
Oh. Opinion on React versus Angular. I like them both, but if you don't know either and you're like, hey, which one should I learn? I recommend React. I know both of them, and they're both useful in different situations. All right, you see the little hand?
Yeah.
It's pointing to the triangle. You see the hand is pointing the triangle? Okay, so when the hand is pointing the triangle, you click this button. Ready? Say, I'm ready.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I'm sorry, I messed it up. Let's try one more time. Are you ready?
Yep, I was right all right. So.
You did it! Oh, the hand's not pointing a triangle anymore.
I want to point to the triangle, but this is a triangle.
Now do it. Oh no, the hand's not pointing to a triangle anymore.
I point to it.
Just click it. Click, click, that's all.
Click, click.
You have to click this part. Not this part. You have to click this part, okay?
Let's try it.
Last try. Ready? Do. Nope. You have to do a little quick click. Watch. See my finger?
Yeah.
Now you do it. Baby.
Let me try it.
I will. Hey, 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 hey. I will let you try it one more time. But look. See my hand? This part, not this part. Okay? Are you going to do this part?
Yep.
And do a quick one. That didn't work. All right.
Let me try it.
Baby, I give you, I think, 3 or 4 tries. Just press the button, kid. I swear.
I did it.
Oh.
Okay, press that gobble gobble button.
You know what? We're going to do this just for you, baby. I'll make the space bar work. Okay? It doesn't work right now. Oh, shit, it does. Okay, do it again. It's working. All right, that's enough. Now we want to make it invisible. I guess that'll be confusing for you, won't it? We want to be able to click the turkey and invoke this one.
And now let's pick the turkey.
And so one of the things that I like to do for the listener is just say what I'm doing in plain English. So I want to click the turkey and make the gobble sound play. Literally, that's what we're going to do. Click the turkey and make the gobble sound play. So we already have a function hooked up on click. So that click handler, we're going to make it invoke this element. So we need to get a reference to this element. So this audio, we're going to give it an ID so that we can get a reference.
I want those. I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah, I need those little crackers. Let's get off this. I'm done.
You need a cracker?
Yep, it's right there, in there.
Yep.
In that big box.
Okay.
Maybe we'll wait here. So I can like.
I'm going to give this to you in 2 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the gobble player ID. So I'm going to do const don't spit on my arm. I use the L prefix. Hey. Stop.
It's funny.
Yeah, but I don't want you to be noisy. So I use the prefix L to denote a document element.
That's a paperback. That's a paperback.
So we get the gobble player here, and let's see if IntelliSense hooks us up.
And what's a paperback?
So IntelliSense does not know that it's an audio player at this time. Stop.
No. You're a Chick-fil-A. Your name is a Chick-fil-A.
I'm a Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it was a good day. That's a good day.
So we will just we'll actually use a debugger here. Check this out.
Okay.
I'm going to log the audio player and throw a debugger in. And the point of this exercise is because I need to know if the player itself, if I can just invoke play. What do you... I said you can talk, but don't just make noises.
Hey,
What are you saying?
don't do that to me.
Don't do what?
Don't do that to me. That's sticky.
Sticky?
Yeah. It's a me.
So here we got L gobble player dot
Daddy.
can play autoplay.
Daddy.
Yeah, it's just play. Right. Okay, so even though IntelliSense didn't know that it's a thing, hey, Are you saying words or are you making noises?
I'm saying words.
What words do you say?
I say
That's not a word. That's a noise. Hey, bro, can I ask a question real quick? For sure. What's up? 1, 2, 3. I am ski. What's your question? Cool. So we're playing it when we click the turkey. How do you recommend I get into learning coding?
Click the
Yeah, Codecademy Pro. Check this out. Baby, don't break that. Put your butt in the chair. So you see this Pro Career Path Front-End Engineer? 100% recommend that. Now, I also do private, like one-on-one mentoring, but it's not free. So one of the questions is like, how much money do you have, right? This Career Path Pro is also not free, but it's a lot cheaper than me. If you literally have $0, check out Free Code Camp. It's not as good, but it's still good. It's still good enough, if you will. Thank you for all the likes. I really appreciate that. All right, you ready for your cracker boy?
Yep. I'm sure can. Cracker. Like a cracker.
Here you go.
Ooh.
All right, we'll give you one more in 2 minutes, okay?
That's stupid.
All right. So we're gobbling when we click, and I want to now hide the audio player. So just do that with CSS. Display none. And we're still working. Cool. Now, the other thing I want to do, I wanted to show that like a cursor, like a little finger there.
A little finger?
Yeah, it needs a little finger. Do you agree?
Uh-huh.
Turkey fingers, if you will.
It's like toes.
It's hard for me to draw toes. I'm not that good of an artist, baby. Okay, cool. But Sam, you can totally draw toes, and if they look good, I'll use them. So this will be feet, gobbly, turkey. Stage these changes. Control Enter, Command Enter if you're on Mac. I'm on Windows. Push that, and then I will also npm run deploy, and this will rebuild it for GitHub pages. What are you coding? A turkey. I am coding a Thanksgiving turkey.
Uh-huh. Thanksgiving turkey.
Yep. So issue number 5 right here. No jiggly eyes is done. Squawks on click is done. And last thing we want to do is dynamic tail feather color. So right now the tail feather is just kind of red all the time. We will make a tiny little form. A tiny form that will make that dynamic. So this is the deployed. I don't know if you can see the URL, but here's my local, and here is the remote. And that's not working on remote, as you can see. So I think it's the audio file. Yep.
It's good.
It's probably the audio file, don't you think, Sam? Yep.
Have one more cracker?
In 2 minutes.
I eat one already.
So here's the gobble in source. Let's go check the GH pages branch. And here's the gobble. So the gobble file is there.
I gobble gobble, say gobble gobble.
Yep, it does say gobble gobble. But I think the reference is broken.
Can I try gobble 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 gobble? Can I try it? Let me press that button. The ball. The ball. Let me press it, Dad. It's my turn. Wait, it's my turn. Dad, it's my turn.
So this is acting like it doesn't exist. Stop. Hey, Sam,
No.
you can't just bite my arm. You're going to get in trouble. Hey, you're going to get in trouble if you do that again.
No.
Do you want to get in trouble?
No.
So then you should not bite my arm, okay?
I wanna eat some TV. I wanna buy a TV. Named
You can try the raw URL. How about that? I think Rawget might have been closed. In production, you'd be better off using a static. Stop. All right, come on. You can go watch TV.
No. It's not. I need crackers.
I'll give you the cracker. You're getting stir crazy. Okay. Here you go. Ooh, okay. What are you coding? I think I already answered that. Yeah, coding a turkey. How do we get Rawget? 404 not found. My name, that is Vanderveer. Laundry? What do you mean?
Daddy, here's mommy. Daddy, here's mommy.
Yep.
Yeah, you said remind you about laundry today, so that's what I said.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Because I just remembered when I walked by.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, two gobble gobble. I like it.
Yeah, Rawget is shutting down. Yeah, so Rawget's like not a thing anymore. Okay. So I don't know if I can reference my MP3. Do you want the remote?
Yeah.
Cool.
Do you want turkey burgers?
Sure.
How many?
2. It is allowed, but GitHub has a soft limit. It's fine.
What am I making? I don't know. I'm going to make turkey burgers. You want one?
Let's try not using a relative. It's like it's just not being hosted at all, though. That's the issue. Raw. Okay. So here's the raw HTML, and now I want the raw MP3 gobble. And it's not found. Okay, it's just not making that resource available. Boo! Oh no, this is the wrong file. My bad. The stolen turkey index raw. This one gobble MP3. And then it downloaded it. So it's there if I reference it that way. All right, let's try. It does not seem to be working. That's really sad. I thought that was a cool feature. Okay, so let's do an MP3 host. GitHub, vanilla flat white, stolen turkey, gobble. So these should be able to accept a URL.
Hey, get off her piece. Thank you.
So this is not like a reference to the hosted MP3. It's like a reference to this whole player. This website looks like so sus, but I don't care. This is not like a secure file, right? Okay, so I downloaded it. Well, like, how do I get it? It's not working either. Oh, allow up to 5 minutes. Okay, so it might take a bit. In the meantime, let's start working on the tail feathers. So I'll just add a little form. So here is the micro project root. By the way, I want the side menu to be, I want the nav to be above it. And I'll do that in the main HTML too. Actually, the nav can be above the main, actually. Cool, cool. Nav is above main. Do I want a whole form or do I just want like a single input? I think I'm good with just an input. Nah, I want a form because there's going to be 2 inputs. So input type equals submit. And this will be an input type equals text. Placeholder. Placeholder will be the feather color. What's up? I'm coding right now too. What's up? What's up? Seeing this HTML makes me appreciate Razor tag helpers a lot more. Oh yeah, vanilla projects will definitely make you appreciate a framework for sure. Let's give this a label. ID equals, we'll do label 4. So this ID will be tail feather hex text. This will be is tail feather like one word? Okay. For tail feather color. Pick code for tail feather color. Let's break that line. Okay, and then on submit, saw, alert saw. We also want to prevent default, right? Event. All vanilla. Yep, that's the point of this project. It is event.prevent default, right? So they're binding it this way, which form submit. Thanks for all the likes. We're over 4,000. That's pretty wild. I teach people to code. If you want to learn to code, you can follow my page. It seems like some of y'all already know how to code, which is dope. So y'all come hang out too. So here's submit, right? These are all the wrong ways. These are all not what I'm looking for. Action. It's action, isn't it? It's action. Oh, it might be on submit. Is that a method on submit? Okay, cool. I think I just want the on submit. What did I even say? I said submit, but I really want on submit. Cool, so now it says saw. By the way, I stream to YouTube and Twitch, so you'll be able to see my screen better if you go over there. Same handle, John Vandeveer, all one word. I'm also on Twitter. And I just opened up my my YouTube chat, so if you previously messaged something, sorry about that. Maybe do it again. Kai Fan says, what up, what up, what up? All right, so we just said saw, so kind of the same idea. Let's move this to a method. So here we're going to do on submit update tail feathers. And then we'll pass in event. So here's const update tail feathers equals event. We do event.prevent default. And then I'll stringify the event for now. What I really want to do is get the correct property name. I think it might just be value is trusted true. Is trusted true. Event.value. Undefined. Yeah, it's not a thing. Event.target. That value? Oh, because it's a form, it's a little bit goofy because it's a form. Yeah. So I'm going to get a reference to the form right here. I don't want to refer to the form. I want to refer to the, yeah, to the input element. L input hex text equals document by get by element by ID. Okay, so now we got this element. Get the value that way. Are you a student or working? I work at Amazon. Bam. So now I got the value there, SDFG. What are you doing? I'm making a turkey. Check this out. Can you listen? That's a turkey gobbling. That was actually my son saying gobble gobble. That's awesome. How is life as a developer? I dig it. I highly recommend it. No regrets. Okay, so here is the new hex, right? So the default is BE2928. BE2928. We'll make sure it's 6. We'll do a little validation. So we'll do const hex is short, or no, is hex short equals, it's not even is it short, it's is hex bad length equals so const will be new color, or like, so hex color. So we want it to be exactly 6. So if is hex bad length, then we'll alert the user. We'll say hex code must be 6 alphanumeric characters. And we'll even do one of these. Dot replace. We'll make sure that it's alphanumeric. I think that's not. So A to Z, or there's an alphanumeric regex. I think it's W for words. Is this a C program? Nope, this is vanilla JavaScript. Have fun, bro. Goodbye. Thanks. How did you find the interviews? Let's see. How did I get my Amazon interview? Amazon reached out to me, actually. They were pretty proactive. So I think if you have maybe 5 years-ish of good experience, Amazon will reach out to you. But you can also just social network on LinkedIn. There's like hella Amazon recruiters. Alphanumeric. Okay, so regexer is the place to go. Regexer.com, really great website for regex stuff. Any word character, alphanumeric and underscore. So I don't want an underscore. That's the problem. So let's make it A to Z 0 to 9. Okay, and I'll just tell them should be lowercase. A to Z 0 to 9. Hex code must be 6 alphanumeric characters and in lowercase. Have you heard of Flaw Finder? No, I have not. School me. Tell me about Flaw Finder. So we'll expect the error. Nope. That oh, I didn't refresh the page, did I? Refresh. Hex code must be 6 alphanumeric characters and in lowercase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should not get the error. Good. What if I go 7? I should get the error. What if I replace the 7 with a capital A? I should get the error. It did not error on that. It did not error on a capital A. Oh, because it removed the A. Less specificity in regex always wins in real life use. Maybe. I mean, if you're doing like an email validation, I guess less specificity as long as you meet the requirement. Yeah, sure, totally. You don't want to overcomplicate it, right? So that's good. I'm going to go ahead and error on the case where if you apply the regex and it works, but that's not equal to what they actually put in, I'm going to still error on that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no problem, as expected. Now do a capital A, yes problem. Perfect. All right, so, and then what if this is all letters like A, B, C, D, E, F? That's 6, right? Okay, cool. I think we're looking good. So the last thing to do here is we want to update the actual feather colors. So I'm going to throw this in an else condition because I don't want to do this, you know, if there's an error. So I'm going to say else and write some pseudocode, update tail feather color. and that is border top. Good deal. Okay, so let's get feathers equals document.getElements, plural, by class name. Class name will be feather. 4.5K likes. Y'all are awesome. Thank you so much. I wonder if we can get to 5K. That would be pretty cool. So feathers dot style dot border top equals black. 1 pix. Let's do 10 pix solid black. This is obviously just for testing, because I don't know if I can apply style. I don't know if I can reference style that way. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Cannot set properties of undefined. Setting border top. Yep. Okay. So, I don't think feathers dot style is a thing. So let's do update CSS dynamically. That's not going to work. Update collection of HTML elements style. I might just have to loop, which I guess is fine, but I'd prefer not to. HTML element dot style, yeah, but what about HTML collection? Yeah, so this guy just loops. Okay, fine. Okay, so that answer, Stack Overflow saith we must loop, so I'll loop, but let me double check. Get elements. Yup, got the inner HTML, cool, whatever. Elements, that just gives you 1. Still looks like we got a loop. This is just a singular. All right, so yeah, length, item, named item. All right, so we got a loop. Let's do a loop. Do the loop-de-loop. Let's see if I got a for each, or if I will make a kind of my own loop. So here's feathers, feathers dot for each. Nope, that's not a thing. Feathers dot. All right, cool. So we're doing real vanilla, aren't we? Real vanilla. Let I equals 0. I less than feathers dot length. I plus plus. Super vanilla. That's cool. No problem. Curve feather. I'll do L just to indicate that it's an element, and so then we got L curve feather dot style border top. And bam, you see the feathers turn black. So that worked. But I don't want to turn them black. I want to turn them the color that was submitted. So flip my single quote over to a backtick, and we'll do some interpolation, baby. Interpolate it. Interpolate it if you're cool, and drop the new hex color in there. I don't actually know what this color looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't look like anything, does it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So these are like not valid. A. Huh, this is not working. F. That's definitely a hex color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I didn't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does lowercase, yeah, these are lowercase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that definitely worked. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a real color. So basically, it's not getting applied properly. It's not that those are like fake colors. It's that they're not getting applied properly. Maybe maybe I need to do this. No, it worked when I did black, didn't it? I did this. Let's do that one more time just to recheck my sanity. I wrote black. Oh, I didn't have a hex. That's what I need. Your hex code needs a hex, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, whatever. That should work. Okay. 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Bam. 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9. Yeah, hey, that's a cool color. 1, 2, 1, 2, FFB. Just one F. Bam, that's a big old blue. 1, 2, 1, 2, FB. I wonder if that's Facebook blue. That's hilarious. All right, so we gobble and we got dynamic tail feathers. Hey, this is sign from God. I'm doing programming homework and I'm stuck. Hit me up. Hit me with your question. Hopefully I can help. Go home, stolen turkey, home, stolen turkey. And then what if I do this on like a mobile phone? It still works, right? I want to do some padding. The whole body. Let's do padding of 1 rem. That's too much. Let's do 0.2 rem. 0.4. 0.4 rem is looking pretty good. 0.5 feels like a more natural number though, doesn't it? All right, we'll do 0.5 rem padding. So this is C programming language, and I need to write a program that takes an input from a user and ... Suspense, killing us. Like straight up C? Ooh, not sure I like that. Okay, we'll see where this goes. Takes a date. Oh gosh, you lost me a date. And I print it out, except I convert month number from 10 to October. Okay, I mean, the 10 to October part doesn't sound hard. That's just, you just do like a map for that, right? Home. Cool, so now we have some, it looks better on mobile basically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Yeah, cool. If I put in 26/12/2000, I'll put 16 December 2000. Yeah, so it's like a date converter. Ew, I hate it. Thanks, I hate it. I can do those with else, but IDK how to do input. Yeah, I also don't know, but let's take a look. C program user input. Standard in, sure. Keyboard. Is it cool if it's a keyboard? It can be a keyboard input, right? So you can look at standard in. Yeah, is it not just printf and gets? Like, is this what you're looking for? Get string? But I'm thinking, like, I know the scanf function, it's for taking value from input into certain variable. Yeah, that works. Yeah, cool. So I think this is how you can get your data input. And then I think I got it wrong and complicated it a bit. Yeah, I think so. I think the hard part is, I mean, the hard part is just like C syntax kind of blows. But I think, yeah, there's not that much to it. So you get the standard in. I think these will work. And you need to rearrange them, right? So you need to store it in like 3 different variables and rearrange them. In the month, you'll need to map from a number into a string. Yeah, exactly. Take them separately. I think that's the right approach. Good luck. Love to hear how it goes. That sounds right. C syntax is beautiful. I don't relate to you. You know what? Then I look at my JavaScript, and JavaScript is terrible. But arrow functions, I think arrow functions are pretty. Like this one, I think that one's pretty. It's nice and concise. I think we're getting less pretty over here, aren't we? But usually I'd use a for each, which is prettier than that. Anyway, whatever. So we got this working, and I want to commit it and build it now. The other thing, so this is, ooh, what's that? Oh, look at this. Look at this. That's Sam.
Nice. That's cute.
Check this out.
Like it.
This is the worst code I've seen this year. Thanks, Erica. What is that turkey you're making? It's a turkey. I don't know. It's like an HTML turkey. It's for Thanksgiving. I was bored. Cool. So I think the other issue that we're having is the audio file works locally, but it doesn't work remotely. So we gave it some time to propagate. That's what we were waiting on. Direct link here, copy, link address. And it says direct link, but yo, it's not working. It's not working. So I'm going to say that this site is sus. I'm going to blame it on the site. Because like this one worked, right? I just don't have the direct link. Oh, get hacked. 2 days in a row hacking HTML, which is not a real thing. That's a joke, just so you know. Where did you learn to code? I learned personally on Codecademy, as well as WordPress back in the day. That was fun. Yeah, check out Codecademy. I recommend their front end ProPath. You can also look at Free Code Camp, and you can also message me. I give code lessons if you want. All right, so let's see if this works. It's still not working. Maybe it needs to be there at load time. Maybe that's the issue. So let me go to my MP3. So that still worked. You only know some Python basics? No sweat. Live and learn, baby. So that worked. It just needed to be there at load time, it appears. You know what? Let me see if the raw GitHub thing will also work, and it just needed to be there. Maybe it was like the same problem, huh? So in Turkey, gobble.mp3. Save that. Oh, bless up, it worked. Okay. So the issue is that I just couldn't like dynamically change it, basically. Cool. I'm very happy with this. Now I don't have to like depend on these like shady third parties that kind of gross me out. So I think we're good. So this will be feet. Did we do the gobble this time, or was that kind of already there? So side menu outside of main, side menu above main. That's not the main feature, but that is a side feature. We also did like end padding for mobile. Gobble was there, but it was kind of broken. And fix GHP gobble, GitHub pages gobble. And then here was the big deal, was update tail feathers. Cool, send it, baby. Control enter Windows, Command enter Mac, push. And let's npm run deploy, which will deploy it for GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages is totally free. Don't let people tell you that you need to pay money to host a portfolio. It's not true. You can totally have a free portfolio. All right, cool. We roll over to GitHub. Too many GitHubs, huh? The basic portfolio. View the live site, take you to vanilla flat white. Here's vanilla flat white, the stolen turkey. And it's working. We now have, so y'all can visit this. And this is open source, right? Can you see the URL? It's my GitHub. My GitHub is just my last name. Do you know how to hack? A little bit. I mean, yeah, I'm not a big hacker. I know a little bit. But yeah, I don't really feel like hacking right now. And I don't feel like teaching people how to hack either, so. Also, pretty much no one hacks by hand anymore. You write scripts to hack. Anyway. So it's working. Boop. So thanks for joining, y'all. Tried to get to 5K. We didn't quite make it. Let's see. I have this thing called laterally slides. So I actually have a whole website called Laterally. Let's open up an incognito so you can see this as a user because it'll have me logged in like the admin. But I teach people to code. You see, Laterally, learn to code. Laterally.teachable.com or laterally.io. This looks kind of blurry. I don't know if that's my camera or if that's TikTok. It's my friend Audrey. Got her a job. Yeah, so you can book a consultation with me or you can sign up for the free tier. So I'm going to be adding to that free tier later today. There's a Discord. If you sign up for the free tier, you get Discord access. You can come chat with us. And yeah, so check back. Follow my TikTok, follow my YouTube, or Twitter, or Twitch. And you'll get updated when I stream later today. And you can learn how to code. That'll be great. Let's see, is there anything else that I want to cover? This is a portfolio template. If you're trying to make a portfolio and you're like, I don't know where to start, you can just use this template. Big green button, use this template, just use it. And it will make you kind of a Linktree style, simple portfolio page, like, where'd it go? Like this. Anything else that I want to go over? That's pretty much it for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you later.